security versus privacy functions within the org, it's designed variously across different organizations. So I can only really speak for Sun, but the way we look at it is my role and my team, we really look at the strategic imperative for information. So where, for example, there's a large outsourcing effort, my team will get involved and say, what are the data elements that are moving to drive value here? So if it's an HR function, we know there's going to be a lot of healthcare information, we'll have social, we'll have beneficiary data, we'll go through this kind of laundry list of what are we talking about here? And then we look at the geographic overlay and we look at the capabilities of the vendor and we say, here are the protections I need to see before this makes sense, and here's the things that are going to drive up the cost from a governance perspective. The CSO's office, in our case it's CISO, they look at the technical capabilities to get to that governance level. So we meet once a week. So the way it works here is, what's going on in the business? What do we need to protect? Are there new legal things that my lawyers have advised me about? And then I meet with the technical experts and say, this is what we need to build, this is what's not working, or when there's a breach or an incident, here's the forensic expertise to investigate and get me the facts that I need comes from that security team. So they're much more technical, physically build where the zeros and ones go, and then my gang kind of says, where does this all fit and correlate within a business imperative? There's some CISOs that are also being tasked with being the CPO, which I think is a lot for one person to run.